Zoey. All right, I told you that I would make you a video for your sort, and here it is. So remember, we are switching to O words this week. So we have short O words, which say, do you remember? Good job. Ah. It's the sound you make when you go to the doctor or the dentist and they say open up wide. Ah. And remember, those words, short O words, have a CVC pattern, consonant, vowel, consonant. Then we have long O words. What does long O say? That's right, long vowels say their name, O, and they have a CVCE pattern. Remember that silent E on the end makes the vowel in the middle long. Okay, so I've got some words over here. I didn't have your sort with me. I forgot to take a picture, but I think that these were some words that were in your sort, and if not, they're very close. So let's first find words that have the short O, ah sound, and have a CVC pattern. Do you see any over here? Our choices are pot, rock, rope, home, drove, and flop. Which words have a short O CVC pattern? Here's one of them. Did you find this one? Pot. If we stretch it out like bubblegum, we'll hear that short O. Pot. And then remember, it has a consonant P, the vowel O in the middle, and the last consonant T. Do you see another one? Rock, rope, home, drove, flop. There's two more here. Rock. Stretch it out with me. Rock. And look, it has that consonant R, the vowel O, and then it has that consonant CK blend at the end, but still counts as CVC. And then one more word. Rope, home, drove, flop. Flop. Good job. Flop. This time it has a consonant blend at the beginning, FL, then the vowel O, and then one consonant at the end, P. Good. Now, let's look at the rest of the words. They're all long O CVC E words. So like this first one is, good job, rope. And if you look at it, it has a consonant R, vowel O, another consonant P, and then that silent E on the end. The silent E makes the vowel O in the middle long. So that vowel O says its name, rope. Then we have, what's this word? Good, home. And one more. Drove. Good. Which of these long O CVCE words has a blend? Two consonants that work together to make one sound. Good job. It's drove at the end. There's a DR in the front. That's the blend, but it still counts as one consonant sound. Good. Okay, and then remember last week I showed you this activity you can do with your words to help you practice them a little bit more and helps you remember how to separate the consonants and the vowels and to see those blends as one consonant. So you start by making a little chart like this. You write C, V, C in big letters. Grab a piece of paper and do it with me right now. You can pause the video. You can pause the video if you need to. Good. All right, so write C, V, C in big letters on your paper. Then underline it and draw lines, vertical, tall lines up and down between the C's and the V's until you have a chart that looks like mine. Okay, these first three words are short O CVC words. Let's put them in the chart. The first word, pot. I bet you can do that one all by yourself for sure. Can you put pot in your chart? Think about which one's the first consonant, which one letter is the vowel, and which letter is the last consonant. Good, you probably did this. P is the first consonant. Got an O is the vowel. And then T is the last consonant. And if we check and read it, let's make sure it still says pot. Pot. Yep, it has all the letters. Okay, let's try rock. Remember how to do it now? So start with the first consonant. Good, that's the R. Then what's the vowel in the middle? Yep, O. And then what's the consonant at the end? Remember, not just K, because if we look back at it, rock, it sounds like rock, but we know that's not the way we spell it. We have to put the C and the K in the last consonant space. Good. Remember, they still count as one consonant sound, even though it's 2 letters, because it's a blend. You try flop on your own. F-L-O-P, flop. Make sure you get all 4 letters. All right, let's see if you got it right. F-L is our first consonant because it's a blend. Then the O, and then P by itself at the end. Great job. Okay, let's move on to the long O CVCE patterns. So start by writing CVCE in big letters on your paper. Good, then you're going to underline it. And this time you'll have to draw 3 vertical up and down lines to divide the letters into sections. All right, so let's try these words. Our first long O CVC word is rope. So let's see. Let's put rope in our chart. So what's the first consonant? R. What's the vowel? O. What's the second consonant? P. And then, of course, has a silent E on the end. Great job. Okay, you try the next one. The next one is home. You try home. Good. Should look like this. That's great, Lincoln. Oh, okay, you take it out there. Violet will help you. Sorry, Lincoln discovered where I was doing my video. All right, the last one is the trickiest one, but it's really not that tricky. You can do it. Drove. Remember to put the blend in one consonant spot.
But nobody won't smush it down.
I'll help you in a minute, buddy. Good. So DR goes in the first spot. Then the O in the vowel. V in the second consonant. And then silent E on the end. Great job, though. Okay, remember you do have 2 oddballs this week. Come and some. Think about how they sound. And how they look. Come is spelled C-O-M-E, and some is spelled S-O-M-E. Which pattern do they look like? CVC or CVCE? Good, they look like the CVCE pattern, right? Because they have that silent E on the end. But this time, did the silent E make the vowel O in the middle long? It's not ka-om or sa-om. Listen carefully, what vowel do you hear? Ka-om, sa-om. That's that short U sound. The sound you'd make if somebody punched you in the tummy, right? Ugh. So both of these words are oddballs. So you don't have to put these words in the charts because we don't usually chart the oddball words. If you want to try putting them in the CVCE chart, you can, but you don't have to. All right, see if you can explain to Mom why those 2 oddballs are oddballs. Have a great day, Zoe. Bye.